Are you in the middle of a custody dispute and are unsure of the different custody options available? Hi, my name is Aaron Grubb, and I'm the Tahlequah attorney at Wirth Law Group. And in this video, we're going to go over the different types of custodies. So first of all, legal custody is where one of the parents gets to make big decisions for the child. And this involves things like where to go to school, what religious organizations will they be a part of, how they're disciplined, and things along those areas. And then physical custody is where the child actually lives and where they're taken care of. So there are two types of legal custody. You have joint custody, in which both parents are able to come together and make decisions for the child. This could also take the form of one parent being specialized in an area, such as where they are going to school, and the other parent will take more of a primary decision maker in how the child is disciplined. And that can be split up in different ways. The second type of legal custody is sole legal custody, in which one parent makes all of the decisions, all the big decisions rather, for the child. Now the other parent does have a say in certain emergency circumstances and smaller decisions that impact the child, but for the most part, it is the primary legal, the parent that has primary legal custody or sole legal custody will end up making those big decisions. Next, we've got different kinds of Now, physical custody is where the child actually takes place. Now, physical custody is where the child actually stays. And this could be split up in a variety of ways. Sometimes the state will have a guideline for how custody is arranged. And other times the parties can come to an agreement and make up a custody schedule. Now, before I go, I want to highlight two different types of physical custody in which Now, there are two other types of custody that involve where the child is living and where the parents are also living. So the first one is called bird nesting, in which the children will actually stay at the primary residence, and each parent will come through and live a cycle with in the primary residence, where the other parent will live elsewhere or Now, there are two other types of physical custody that I do want to talk about. So first is bird nesting, which is odd, and I haven't really encountered it in my own legal practice, but it is available in Oklahoma, in which the children live at the primary residence and the parents take turns living with the children at the primary residence. And the second type of custody is just split custody, in which each parent gets primary custody of the children. And this is the other type of custody that I want to talk about is split custody. And this takes place whenever there's multiple children and parents only want to have the primary responsibility for one of them and have visitation rights for the other children. And that can be split up a multitude of different ways. If you have questions regarding how custody works, please contact me. I'm at thetahlequahattorney.com. My name is Aaron Grubb. Thank you.